today. Sideway view. Hopefully you can see everything. Okay, we're good to go on Facebook. Appreciate the patience. All right. Are we good? Do we have what we need? Look at that view. Tremendous. If you're listening, hands in the air. If you're listening, touch your nose. If you're listening, touch your knees. If you're listening, hands behind your back. Big belly breath in. Everyone at ease say, yes, sir. Nice. And when you say yes, sir, who remembers you're showing respect? Good job. All right, let's get started with our creed. I forgot it already. All right, let's try it again. Ready? Peace, power, mind, body, yin, yang, yoga, rati. Awesome. Everybody, attention. Yes, sir. Courtesy, respect. And we're going to get warmed up by playing the laser beam game. Everybody seems to love that game. So I have a laser. And this laser goes wom, 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 wom. It's going to chop off your feet. Wom, 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 wom. Nice jump. Wom, 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 wom. Nice jump. Wom, 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 wom. Wom, 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 wom. Wom, 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 wom. All right, awesome. Got another laser. And this one's going to chop off your head. What are you going to do? Well, like the way you did your duck. Who remembers our karate duck from last time? Ready? All right. Wong, 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 wong. Wong, 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 wong. Nice job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Oh, I just dropped my lasers. There you go, I caught him. Last round. Ready? Hey! Nice job. Awesome job. And get rid of this energy. All right, rub your hands together. Everybody, let's give some energy to the world. Everybody go like this. See if you feel that heat in between your hands. See if you feel that heat coming out of your hands, and pretend, use your imagination, or if you can even see it, feel the heat, feel the energy going all the way, all around us. If there's somebody standing around that you're watching the show, whoever set up the camera, do your energy towards them, and then give yourself some energy right back, and feel that energy in your hands, and awesome job. All right, today let's also get our body stronger with some birthday cake squats. So I'm going to roll out a birthday cake, and this birthday cake's pretty big. Awesome, we'll keep it right there. And somebody yell at a birthday cake flavor. Orange. Okay, so we're going to have a little orange right over here. And then somebody else yell out a birthday cake flavor. Vanilla. Ooh, I like it. And you put it right over here. And somebody yell out one more birthday cake flavor. Chickens. What? That's just silly. Bananas? Okay, bananas. Put it right over there. So we have an orange, vanilla, banana cake. Now I'm going to light it. And we got all the candles lit. So now what we have to do is we're going to blow out all the candles. Ready? So, first we're going to do, put your hands out like this. Everybody put your hands out like this. All right, good. Now we're taking a big belly breath in. Grab onto a cloud of air. Grab onto a cloud of air. Bring all that air into you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring our bottom down. And then we're going to blow out all that air towards a candle. All right, let's do it again. Grab onto a big cloud of air, big cloud of air, big cloud of air. Bringing it to you, and then bring your bottom down, and let's blow out some candles. Just like that. And when you come down, make sure that your heel is off of the ground. Do I want you to have your heel on the ground when you bring your bottom down? Or do I want you to have your heel off the ground when I bring your bottom down? Okay, good. So ready? Let's one more. Breathe in. And then let's blow out some candles up top. Take in all that air, bring your bottom down like this. Let's blow out some candles. Awesome. Now there's one more candle. It's all the way up top over there. How are we going to get it? Oop, you said jump. I like the way you're thinking. Good job. Kiss your brain. Brain's working good today. All right. Big belly breath in. Bring in all that air. Bring in all that air. And then we're going to bring our bottom all the way down. And then I want you to jump as high as you can. They can. Bring your bottom all the way down. Nice. Let them have cake. Everybody eat some cake. Here's some, catch some cake. I don't have any bowls. Here, get some cake. Get some cake. Over here for you. Here's some cake. Everybody eat your cake. Oh, that cake is so filling. See, you know, some people say you can't have your cake, you need it too. I had my cake, I ate it too. Why not? So can you. Write that down. Okay, let's do some of our stretching to loosen up our buttons, baby. All right, ready to roll your head around and go the other way. And if your head falls off, I'll give you, oh, who needs some glue already? All right, here's some glue for you. Here's some glue for you. Here's some glue for you. Oh, you saw that. Good job. All right, take the glue, put it on your neck. Everybody say, check the neck. Okay, good. And everybody go tick, tock, 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 tick, tock. What? Sounds like an alarm clock. Okay, ready? We're going to look up in the air, and we're going to do big belly baby bird eating. So everybody go like this. And now we're all this on our bellies full, and we ate a lot of good food from that mama bird this gave us, and we're going to burp it out. Go, excuse me. And big belly breath in. Eat your bread. Eat your food. Worms. Oh, belly got super big. Now give a nice big burp. Excuse me. There you go. Like Vicky Guerrero. Excuse me. All right, awesome. And everybody arms out like this. If you love ice cream, say, I love you, ice cream. Oh, I love ice cream. If you love chicken fingers, say, I love you, chicken fingers. And if you love yourself, you're going to give yourself an energy hug. Remember how you gave your friends energy before? Now you're going to rub your hands together. And rub your hands together. And rub them faster, faster. Everybody go, oh. And see if you can feel that power in between your hands. Maybe some of you can even see that light between your hands and feel that power and feel the energy back and forth like magnets and pull your hands apart. Everybody say, I have the power. He-Man. All right, and give yourself a hug. Everybody say, I love you, me. And one more time, rub your hands together. Rub your hands together. Pull your hands apart. Give your belly a hug. Rub your belly. And everyone say, I love you, belly. All right, and let's make a rainbow this way. Everybody go, ha, ha, ha. Nice. Everybody go, hoo, hoo, hoo. Nice. Everybody go, hoo, hoo, hoo. What are you, a bunch of owls? I don't even give a hoot. And everybody go, ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Are you Santa Clauses? Somebody owes me a choo-choo train. Look, my bandana is coming down, so I want to do it because I put my bandana on it so the sweat in my okay, we're going to peck for some seeds. Like a bunch of chickens. Everybody take your chicken beaks, go, bagar! And let's peck some seeds like a bunch of chickens. Peck, 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 peck. Now we're going to become a bunch of monkeys. Pick, pick, pick bananas. Chili, peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, pick, pick. Ew. Are you picking your noses? Did you get it all the way up in there? Oh, okay. All right, awesome. And let's stretch our knees out. We want to make sure that all the tough tendons and ligaments around our knees. I'm going to adjust my mat a little bit. We want to make sure all the good stuff that makes our knees stronger is working. Everyone say ACL. Nice. Everyone say PCL. Everyone say MC Hammer. Can't touch this. All right, awesome. And now you're going to move your knees. Everybody keep your knees open, and everybody bring your knees around. You want to go like this, and everybody bring your knees around like that. I think everybody agree. Okay, and now we're going to make our knees really, really small. We're going to do mini knee circles. They're 1/8 the size of knee circles, and we're going to go. All right, Dr. Evil, we missed you. All right, and last thing we're going to do, we're going to work on our balance. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath. And chocolate chip ice cream on peanut butter sandwiches. Applesauce and banana peels inside the chicken's feet. Am I teaching class? I thought I was asleep. I'm sorry, I gotta wake up a little bit. Let's wake up with some yoga. Ready? Let's do our sun salutation. I shape a circle. Then one more. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. I fold in half and touch the floor. Everybody go touch, 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 touch. Breathe in and breathe out. All right. Everybody start drumming on your legs. Breathe in and breathe out. Here come my friends. Lily, see you, baba deeba baba. Oh, breathe out like a horse. And I kick my feet back and I drop right away. Big belly breath in, big belly breath out. Nice. I pull myself forward and let out a hiss. Somebody got a flat tire? Breathe in, breathe out. And I lift my button to the sky. Like a doggy, like this. Breathe in and breathe out. Go roof, roof, roof. Nice. I drop to my knees and I breathe dragon's fire. Everybody stick out your dragon tongue. Stick out your dragon tongue, bring it in. And stick out your dragon tail the other side. Flap it around like that. Bring it in. Big belly breath in. Dragon's fire. And now we're going to switch sides and lift a little higher. Dragon's tongue, bringing around, you're flicking at it. Move your dragon tail around like that. Big belly breath in, dragon fire. And I'll curl up like a little mouse. Put your feet together. Open your knees. Curl up like a little mouse. Big belly breath in. And go squeak, squeak, squeak. Do it one more time. Try it. Try to suck, put your teeth together, and then pull the air with your mouth. Suck air in. Try it. Okay, awesome. I love the way you guys tried it. I stand up tall like a big strong house. Me, Grimlock, stand up tall. And I reach, and I reach, and I reach for my toes. Everyone grab on to underneath your feet, under your toes, and then stand up slowly. See if you can stretch your back. Oh, 3 vertebrae, that was awesome. Now we stand up slow, breathe in, and do a crazy pose. Awesome. High five. Go get a drink real quick. All right. Drinky, 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 poo, drinky, drinky, what are you? I think you're water. Bit of the bubbly. Awesome. Okay, let's do some Yogarate. So everybody step 1 foot back, bend your knees, hands up in front just like that. We're going to do another combination. Everyone say combination. Right, that's when we take 2 moves and we put them together. So a combination that we're going to do today, since we already did the ducking, we're really, really good at it. And by the way, when we duck, do we look down or do we look straight ahead? So let's practice the duck song 1 time. Ready, set, go. Bring your bottom to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Bring your bottom to the ground. Karate duck. Ay-ya! Okay. Ready? And duck. 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 Awesome job. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over the hammer fist. So if you remember the hammer fist, you take your hand like this, and your other hand, you make a fist. Hand, fist, foot. Okay, ready? And everyone, you're going to go like this, just like you're using a hammer in real life, or maybe one of your toy hammers until you get older. All right, hammer fist song sounds to London Bridge is going down. Ready, set, go. Hammer fist is coming down, coming down, coming down. Hammer fist is coming down. Now yell, "Aya!" And remember, when you use a hammer fist, if you have a pillow or a pad or something that you can use for with somebody in your house, they can hold it, you can practice with the soft part of your hand. Soft hits hard. okay? Or soft hits soft when you hit the pillow. Does that make sense? Okay, good. So now, let's practice both. So if somebody is trying to be mean to you, and maybe they try to bop you in your head, or they try to swing something at your head, then you're gonna bring your bottom down just like that, and then you hammer fist, boop, right on their head. Just like that. You bop them just a little bit, and it wakes them up, and they go, what am I doing? Why am I trying to pick on you? Maybe I'm angry, and I need to go deal with that, or something. I don't know. Okay, so ready stance. Ready? So first we're going to do is a duck, whoosh, and then you're going to do a quick hammer fist. Ready? And duck, whoosh, hammer fist, whoosh, duck, whoosh, hammer fist, whoosh, duck, whoosh, hammer fist, whoosh. Awesome. Let's do the other side. Ready? And now when I say duck, I want you to yell, Aya! Okay, then when I say hammer fist, I want you to yell, Aya! Okay, ready? Duck, hammer fist. Duck, Aya! Hammer fist. Duck, hammer fist. One more. Duck. Let's do 2 hammer fists. Aya! Aya! Awesome job. High five. All right, let's practice. See how well your ducking is. So, somebody's being mean, somebody's a little angry, and they are trying to be mean at you. You try to talk to them. You ask them if they want a hug. You maybe say, are you having a bad day? That might help them be nicer. But if not, sometimes people are just mean, and that's just the way it is. And some things will never change. Okay, ready? So I'm going to throw this ball. It's either the fireball or the sunball. I'm going to throw the ball at you. I want you to duck, and then I want you in the air go, Aya. Okay, ready? See how you do. Here we go. Good. Duck. Good. Keep ducking. Okay. Oh. There you go. Awesome sauce. Nice job. Okay, were you ducking and did you hammer fist fast enough? All right, now let's try to do a duck. How about this? Let's do 3-move combination. You think you can do that? I think it's really tough. Let's try it. Okay, ready? So we're going to do duck, high block, hammer fist. Ready? So it's Aya, Aya, Aya. One more time. Aya, Aya, Aya. Okay, good. Ready? Here we go. So first we're going to duck, and then we're going to high block and hammer fist. Ready? Duck. Whoosh. High block. Whoosh. Hammer fist. Whoosh. Oh, nice. Ready? Duck. Whoosh. High block. Whoosh. Hammer fist. Whoosh. Oh, that was good. All right, one more time. Duck. High block. Hammer fist. Psh, oh, another hammer fist. Psh, oh, you win. Awesome job. All right, you guys did really, really good today. Good job, girls. Everyone, I appreciate you for watching. Attention, yes, sir. Courtesy, respect. Good job, everybody. Clap for your friends. Good job, friends. Give yourself a high five. Good job, me. Everyone, namaste. Aya! Nice job. High five. Awesome. Have a wonderful rest of your day, everyone. I will see you next time on Yogarate.